Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where we grow, heal, and become the best version of ourselves. So, today I want to talk about something very important, and that is awareness. So, the topics that I'll be discussing today in this video are: what is awareness, why is it important, advantages of being aware, how awareness helps in self love and self growth, how it helps us in our relationship, awareness in career and purpose, how to be aware in your day to day life, and also I'll be sharing some of my personal experiences with awareness. So let's start the video. What is awareness? Awareness simply means being conscious of what's happening inside you and around you. It's observing your thoughts, emotions, patterns, and reactions without immediately reacting or judging. Why is awareness important? Because without awareness, we just react on autopilot. With awareness, we create space between the stimulus and our response. We get to choose how to act, not just react. Awareness helps us in many ways in our day to day life. It brings clarity in chaos. It improves emotional intelligence. It helps us understand our triggers. It empowers us to change our habits and patterns, and most importantly, it leads us to peace and growth. How awareness supports self love and self growth. Because when you are aware, you understand what are your needs, emotions, and wants. You stop blaming yourselves and others and you start healing. You start to accept yourself and show compassion to your inner child. How awareness helps in our relationships, because when you are aware, you are able to see how you affect others and how others affect us. It improves communication, reduces conflicts, and builds healthier boundaries. When you are aware, you don't react out of pain, you respond with understanding. How awareness helps in career and purpose, because when you are aware, you are able to identify what are your strengths, what drains your energy, and where your passion lies. It guides you to making better decisions, building discipline, and staying true to your purpose even when challenges arise. So the question is, how to be aware in your day-to-day life. So start by being pause and observe. Before reacting, just take a moment to notice what are you feeling, and then name the emotion, label the emotion. Is it anger, is it sadness, or is it insecurity? And then ask why gently. Ask, why are you feeling this emotion? And then breathe. Ground yourself with slow breathing to calm your nervous system, and then respond. Don't react. Choose your next action consciously. You can also journal at the end of the day to reflect what triggered you and how you handle it, and this will help you a lot in being aware, why you got triggered, and what was the emotion, like was it insecurity or some kind of you know pain, what was the reason behind it. So you can also start by being mindful with small steps every day, like just being present and being aware when you are drinking a cup of tea or a glass of water or going for a walk in the nature. Just be so present in the moment, like when you are drinking, be present, and when you are going for a walk, just be present with your footsteps. This will help you being mindful and being aware and to live in the present moment. And because when you live in the present moment, you become more aware of what you are thinking or what you are feeling. So you can start with small steps each day, but these small steps will give you big results. So let me share some of my personal experiences with awareness. Let's start with YouTube. So I have a second channel, not second, you can say first channel. That is my actually first channel. So when I first started my channel, and I was about to start my first shoot for my first YouTube video, and when I opened my phone camera to shoot, uh, current went off, and Then there was no light, and my family members were making background noise, dogs were barking, my dogs were barking, and I started blaming myself. I started like being the victim, like why is it happening to me? I was about to start shoot, I was going to think something for my career, this is what I love to do, and I was about to start and this all happened to me. So I just cried a lot, I bursted out, I blamed my parents, I shouted at them, and like for like I wasted 1 hour. Even though our current came, I wasted 1 hour with just blaming, being the victim, and shouting everything. Then I start my shoot. So I want to say that today when I'm here to shoot for my video, it's not like that there are no background noise, my dogs didn't bark, but I was aware, even though I got frustrated and anger, but I was like, no, I'm not gonna react to it. I'll stay calm and let the chaos be gone, let it be calm, and then I'm going to start my shoot. So this is how being aware helps you, because when you shout, cry, you just waste 1 hour, and nothing happens. It just brings chaos to your own mind, so you lose your peace. So now I'm at peace, I took time, let them be calm, and then let me shoot the video. So this is how awareness helps. Secondly, I would like to say that one of my biggest realization happened when I understood the reason behind my anger. I used to be a person who used to get triggered very easily, lash out, burst out, shout, and after that I cry after getting angry. But I understood the reason behind my anger. I made a previous video on this topic. So the reason behind my anger was my fear of marriage. Like I used to hear a lot from my society, from my elders, that if I don't adjust and if I don't act like this type of girl, then I'll my in-laws might torture me or my husband might harm me. And this fear, turned into anger, like a weapon, like my self-defense. Because I thought, when everybody will fear me, no one can torture me, no one can harm me, no one can dominate me. But even though this could have helped me, but I was not being able to live in that soft girl energy that I was so desperately, not desperately, you can say, which I was trying to become. But I realized the reason behind this anger, and today I'm no longer that type of person. Even though I get angry sometimes, but it's for like actual reason, like something really big happens, then I get angry. But I don't get triggered so easily from small things, because I understood now I'm a very soft girl energy. I know, I trust myself that I am capable of everything, and no one can do me anything. I trust myself, so I don't need to fear someone to escape from my fear. And I don't no longer fear for it, because I know my what now. So being aware helps you in so many ways. It helps you to know your reason also behind your emotions. So yeah. So, my beautiful souls, awareness is the first step to transformation. You cannot change what you are not aware of. So, be conscious, watch your thoughts, feel your emotion, don't just run away from it. Witness yourself, observe, pause, and reflect. That's where your power lies. Because when you are aware, you are free. So if you felt connected to this video, do like and share, and do subscribe for more contents on self-love and self-growth. And also let me know in the comments what was your first moment of awareness. Until next video, be aware and be kind to yourself. Bye bye.